Here we're looking at GNVC, and it's had some big declines over the last couple weeks here, as you can see with the chart here. Had a very good run, but they just really sold it hard here, and it's trying to look like it really trying to recover here, but having a little tough time doing so. And here is a perfect example of of a stock that can run up pretty hard, and when it comes down sometimes even harder. Now this has had some. We're looking at the weekly chart here, and you can see that it's had quite a lot of resistance here in this range, because you've had the prior swing here. It was unable to really do so. You have several swings in here. There's a lot of stock between this price range. That's why it's very difficult for it to break above. Now we could just look at this last swing here and just let's kind of go after that and get a good feel for where it's trading and what could happen. Well, here I took the liberty of drawing a retracement line here, and that really helps clear up a lot of what's going on here. You have this big move, big bar, they start to sell it. It really stabilizes at the 50% retracement line, and all that is the difference between the low and the high here, and just drawn between it and divided in here. And that's what you're seeing right now. It's pretty much trying to hold this 50-day, and as long as it can do so, maybe you get the little bounce in here. But I wouldn't get too excited about that as a potential, and the reason being is that this is pretty a dramatic corrective move. And it's really, although it has corrected and it's normal to do a 50% retracement, we may say to ourselves, it's very, very negative overall move in such a short amount of time. And, maybe it is going to be sold into this bounce here, and maybe it has a greater probability of doing so. So, as far as this, coming back to where it was, that's going to be a tall order. So anyway, if that is GenVec, if you want to know the stock's next move and our next breakout stock, sign up now. Happy trading.